there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you have an outdoor TV, or maybe you're like us and you have a TV in a camper and you're looking for a way to protect it, then you should check out this TV cover from KOLIFE. So I like it because it's got a nice protective anti-scratch surface on the side that the screen is going to be exposed to. So you're not going to be scratching your screen when you're putting it off and on. We have to strap it down like this with a big cord as we're traveling so the TV doesn't shift or move. So it gives us that added protection for the screen itself. It's also waterproof, which we don't have to deal with that because this is indoors, but if you have an outdoor TV, you're going to definitely want a waterproof cover. You've got a nice durable stitch that goes all the way around the circumference, Velcro so you can wrap it up if you need to with the Velcro, and then openings on the back so it will fit over the bracket itself. We're really happy with it. We've used it well over a year. So if you're looking for a solution to protect your TV, you should check it out. And that's my point of view.